Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's start with the headlines. US President Donald Trump says he would ask Xi Jinping to open up China to American firms as he heads to Beijing for a high-stakes summit that will also bring up the Iran war. Delegations from China and US meet for trade talks in South Korea hours before US President Donald Trump is due to arrive in Beijing. Officials are likely to put finishing touches on any announcements made during Trump-Xi summit. NBC News reports US military is considering renaming Iran conflict Operation Sledgehammer if truce fails and Trump resumes war, replacing Operation Epic Fury and potentially resetting 60-day congressional war authorization clock. Iran's Foreign Minister Saeed Abbas Araghchi to arrive in New Delhi today for a two-day BRICS foreign ministers meeting as the expanded grouping seeks to address escalating West Asian tensions and their impact on global energy security. Iraq and Pakistan reportedly cut deals with Iran to ship oil and liquefied natural gas from the Gulf in a demonstration of Tehran's ability to control energy flows through the Strait of Hormuz. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un inspects several munition factories and calls for modernizing production systems, tightening quality controls and boosting efficiency to strengthen country's military capabilities. Duterte's former top drug war enforcer and Philippine Senator Ronald De La Rosa, he urges military to stop government attempts to arrest and fly him to the Netherlands to stand trial on charges of crimes against humanity. Copper prices have surged to a record $6.58 per pound, now up 75% since October 2023 and over 40% in the last 12 months. The surge comes amid tight supply, declining inventories in China, and surging demand for data center construction.